For problem 8, we're going to find the value of k, the expected value, and the variance. So on the table we have the values of x, which are -1, 1, 3, and 5. We have the value of p, which is 2k, 14%, which is 0.14, 11%, 0.11, and 3k. So to find the value of k, all we gotta do is add the numbers of the bottom, as in 2k plus 0.14 plus 0.11 plus 3k equal to 1. Then you just add the like terms, and it should give you 5k plus 0.25 equal to 1. Then you just subtract the 0.25 into the 1, and then you divide it by the number of 5. And the answer should give you 0.15, which is the value of k. Now we're going to find the expected value. To find the expected value, we have to update the table. So for the values of x, the numbers will stay the same, -1, 1, 3, and 5. And for the values of p, we're going to replace 0.15, which is the value of k, into the k, and then multiply by the number. So 2 times 0.15, which is 0.3, and 3 times 0.15, which is 0.45. Then we're going to multiply the x times the p. So -1 times 0.3, which is -0.3, 1 times 0.14, which is 0.14, 3 times 0.11, which is 0.33, and 5 times 0.45, which is 2.25. Now we're gonna add the numbers of the bottom. So -0.3 plus 0.14 plus 0.33 plus 2.25, and the answer should be 2.42. Now we're going to find the variance. And to find the variance, we have to follow several steps. So we're going to write our table, and the values of x will stay the same, -1, 1, 3, and 5. Then we're going to write our values of p, which are 0.3, 0.14, 0.11, 0.45, just as we did on the problem above. And what we're going to do is we're going to square our x. So -1 squared is equal to 1, 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9, and 5 squared, 25. Now we're gonna multiply our x squared by the p. So 1 times 0.3, which is 0.3, 1 times 0.14 is 0.14, 9 times 0.11 is 0.99, and 25 times 0.45 is 11.25. Then we're gonna add the numbers of below, which are 0.3 plus 0.14 plus 0.99 plus 11.25, and the answer should be 12.68. So for the last step, all we gotta do is we're gonna subtract the 12.68 minus our expected value squared, which was 2.42. So 12.68 minus 2.42 squared. And the answer should be 6.8236. And that should be the variance.
There is a bag with 11 marbles, and you need to take out 5. So there are 4 red marbles, 5 black marbles, and 12 white marbles. The possibility of extracting 3 black marbles is 27.56%. We do this process in which 5 out of 5 marbles you're taking out, 3 are going to be black. So you take out the percentage of black, and you get 27.6%. You need to get out the possibility of extracting at least 3. So you can extract 0 black, 1 black, 2 or 3. So you need to have all of this in 1, and then you get that possibility of extracting this extracting 3, 2, 1, 0. Letter C is possibilities of extracting no black marbles. So out of the 5 marbles, you need to extract 0 black. So the possibility of that is 5.03%, as this equation shows it. And letter D is the possibility of extracting 5 black marbles. So out of the 5 marbles, all of them need to be black. The possibility is 1.84%, and this is the process.